The medical industry has only scratched the surface when it comes to 3D printing applications. Well, now bioengineers are looking at the future. And in a special issue of Trends in Biotechnology, researchers came up with 5 ways that 3D printing might improve and quite possibly extend our lives. And now, a listicle! Organs on a chip are 3D microengineered systems that mimic human tissue. Researchers have already grown tissue on chips using human stem cells, but 3D printing could reduce the labor and cost necessary to build, seed, and meet the demand for chips. Printed skin. Yes, printed skin has already been made by placing cells on a collagen gel, but skin bioprinting, or manufacturing, is on the horizon. Researchers are now considering the designs that are necessary to help patients, especially those with burns or chronic wounds. Skin printing. Printing skin. I want to touch it. It's me touching skin. Bone, cartilage, and muscle have already been printed in a lab, but constructing more complex designs that can be implanted in patients is still in development. Craniofacial reconstruction for people who have cancer or facial injuries is an obvious candidate. That's right, rebuilding faces. But we're close, as we're already using 3D printed scaffolds for facial reconstruction. Creating man-made organs, or organoids, to evaluate how new drugs would interact with the organs. They're even gonna make organs with tumors to see how drugs interact with 3D printed organs with tumors. So that way they don't have to test people like guinea pigs anymore, get a rash, or die. That one's bad too. Finally, we have 3D printed blood vessel networks with bioengineered tissues, which are particularly important because it not only means keeping the tissue alive as it's being printed, but also making sure that it survives after it's inside you. I'm David Mantey. This is IEN Now.